picks up goes to chickens. Right after he mows, I got a couple buckets out there with wheelbarrow. He'll pour it in the wheelbarrow, and then I'll take it right out to the chickens. Just another source of food for them. Get some green stuff. Just one bucket. Okay. Well, they like that. Something green for them. Our Jay is really telling about it. I had this tall fig right here, right over there, so it can get sun. And it don't get a lot of sun, but it does get sun. But you can see the difference when the sun hit that. It burned it, and here it's in the shade all the time, and it's so fresh. But since I moved the fig over here, it's liking it, and it's putting brand new leaves out. The sun is just so rough on the plants. But I gotta figure out, because I want them in the ground eventually, but how to block so much sun on them. They just don't like it. Well, I have a new name for my little Americana. Her name is gonna be Nina. Nina got a hold of me. She is her channel name is the Steve and Nina Show. So she's got Americana baby too, and she's gonna name it Susie. So hers will be Susie and mine will be Nina. So hi Nina. Bye again. And you're getting friendly? Yeah, come here. Come here, little Nina. Are you getting friendly? Look at them babies. Anyway, I did name my bird, my little chick, Nina. Y'all getting gold. You're losing your baby feathers. Or whatever it is. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Oh, there goes Nina. From Out West Homestead. What's going on? Hey, Nina, come here. I'm gonna get her friendly. Are you friendly? Good girl. Well, don't jump off. Good girl. Oh, don't you jump off. Going down. There you go. I gotta shut the door. Yep. I got her a name. And thanks for everybody with the names you offered. I liked every one of them. But Nina says she's going to name hers Susie, so I'll name her this one Nina. Bye.